We have another quadratic equation on the board. We're going to use, like before, quadratic formula in order to find values of x. Please notice that my second degree term has coefficient +1, invisible +1. And I'm going to call this coefficient A. 2 is the coefficient of my first degree term, is called B, and constant is called C. I need to call them A, B, C because I'm going to use quadratic formula. And in quadratic formula you have variables called B, A, C, okay? A, B, C. So always write the formula first. X is equal minus B plus minus square root B squared minus 4AC over 2A. Okay? Next, instead of letters, you're supposed to plug in numbers. I have negative, you have to copy down this negative, and B is what? 2. So I'm going to write 2 plus minus square root, and I have B squared, so I have 2 to the second power minus 4 times A, and A is equal 1, and C is equal negative 4 over 2 times A. I have 2 times 1 because A is 1. X is equal minus 2, I copy this down, plus minus square root 2 to the second power is 4. I have negative 4 times 1 times negative 4 is equal positive 16 over 2. Next, we're supposed to perform the addition under the radical sign. We have minus 2 plus minus square root, and I have 20. Okay? My discriminant is equal 20. 20 is greater than 0. It means that we are going to have two real solutions. So we have in the denominator 2. Next, what we can do over here? Copy down minus 2 plus minus, and we can rewrite square root of 20 as square root of 4 times square root of 5 over 2. And I have x equals minus 2 plus minus square root of 4 is equal 2, and copy down square root of 5. Supposed to apply the properties of radicals in order to simplify the solution. Over 2. Now, please notice that we have 2 in this term, and we have 2 over here. So what we're supposed to do? We can factorize it and simply write that this is 2 at the front of the parentheses, and I'm going to have negative 1 plus minus square root of 5 over 2. 2 and 2 will cancel out, and I have x equals negative 1 plus square root of 5. This is my first answer. Or x equals negative 1 minus square root of 5. So these two values of x are the solutions to my problem.